Hey viewers, in this video we are going to learn about how to check balance. Please watch the video till end, don't miss anything. Let's start. Tutorials for balance. Slide the screen to view your balance. Then switch between equity or commodity. Or else you can also tap on the quick stats menu icon on the right hand side at the top of the screen. If you have any query, please comment in the section below or feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.